Hi students, welcome to the new series of Create a Comic Strip. Comic Strip, जी हाँ, doesn't that sound interesting? तो इस सीरीज में हम एक कॉमिक स्ट्रिप क्रिएट करेंगे। रुको, क्रिएट करने से पहले एक कॉमिक स्ट्रिप देखते हैं। इन्हें तो आप सब जानते ही होंगे। ये है फेमस चाचा चौधरी की कॉमिक स्ट्रिप का एक एक्सर्प्ट। लेट्स एंजॉय। अरे वाह, मजेदार था ना? I have one more for you. It's an excerpt from Tintin's comic strip. इसे आप वीडियो को पॉज करके अपने स्टाइल में पढ़िए. Read it slowly, paying attention to the characters, visuals, words used, emotions conveyed, and what you liked about the storyline as a reader. I hope आप सबने दोनों कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स को पढ़ लिया होगा और एंजॉय भी किया होगा। तो अब आप ये टेबल फिल करो। For both the comic strips, fill what is appealing about the main character, what is the humor in the story, why do you find the storyline interesting, what emotions are conveyed, and finally what is special about its visual style. कॉमिक स्ट्रिप कह लीजिए या कॉमिक स्टोरी कह लीजिए, children, youngsters as well as adults all love reading comic strips. It's a joyful experience for most. These are able to appeal to a wide range of audience with very little text and more pictures. Actually, in today's age, people don't have time. So effective storytelling is an important aspect of all communications. Storytelling is at the core of what we do. चाहे आप presentation बना रहे हो या कोई resume, चाहे आप interview दे रहे हो या फिर कोई product sell कर रहे हो, you are telling a story to your audience. Comic strips also tell stories, and that is why you need to find out the commonalities that appeal to diverse groups of people. Find what makes a story interesting and engaging, and then develop a small comic strip. Besides storyline, characters, and visual style, there are a few more elements essential in a comic strip. तो शुरुआत हम comic strip के elements को explore करने से करेंगे। हम बहुत सारे आइडियाज को ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करके 2 स्क्रिप्ट लिखेंगे. Then we will select ideas to prepare a final script and finally give it life. Students, ये एक्टिविटी इसलिए जरूरी है ताकि हम पता लगा सकें कि कॉमिक स्ट्रिप की टारगेट ऑडियंस को कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है and how a new comic strip can communicate with a wider audience. Now next, we have 2 more comic strips and both of them are based on one theme, that is boredom. Now pause the video and enjoy these 2 comic strips first. मजा आया ना? Now tell me, between these 2 comic strips, which storyline did you like more and why? हो सकता है आप में से किसी को फर्स्ट पसंद आई हो और किसी को सेकंड। फर्स्ट में इमोशंस एंड एक्सप्रेशंस हैं और सेकंड में एमलेसनेस को डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स के थ्रू बड़े ही विटफुली प्रेजेंट किया है। नेक्स्ट थिंग, whose main character can you better relate to and why? And lastly, whose text and visuals more effectively communicates the purpose of this story? Now pause this video and answer all these questions in this table. वैसे तो आपने पहले भी बहुत सारी कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स पढ़ी होंगी। इन सब को देखने के बाद हमारे पास कॉमिक स्ट्रिप के कुछ एलिमेंट्स निकल कर आते हैं। मेन पर्पस, कैरेक्टर्स, स्टोरी लाइन, प्लेस and visual style. For each element listed in the left column, briefly write what requirements your comic strip should try to satisfy. Now is the time to start working on your own comic strip. Brainstorming is an effective way of generating multiple ideas. Actually, everyone is capable of generating ideas. We just need to provide a comfortable environment to ourselves. So think of more and more ideas. You should select 2 themes and develop scripts for them. अब आप कहेंगे why 2 themes? Because ideation leads to creativity. We should not miss out the best idea. इसीलिए आप 2 scripts लिखेंगे और फिर उनमें से एक को फाइनल करेंगे। अब देखते हैं कि कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स के लिए स्क्रिप्ट कैसे लिखेंगे। To kickstart the process, you will need all the elements of your comic strip. You need to understand what would be your panels, characters, and places. How many panels would be there in your comic strip? There can be 3 to 9 or more. Who is the main character? Who are the supporting characters? Which places would be there in the panel backgrounds? तो अब आपका टास्क है कि आपको अपनी फाइनल स्क्रिप्ट को रिव्यू करना है और हर पैनल को विजुअलाइज करके टेबल को कंप्लीट करना है। Here is a table that you can fill for each panel of your comic strip. You should also sketch your ideas, which will help you in creating your comic strip in the next session. Till then, keep creating and enjoy learning.